Welcome to Ashad Sokan channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange chicken. As you can see here, 1.5 cup of chicken here. I made it cube shape, and this is the time to get ready with the flour. So what I'm going to do, I'm smashing some, I'm grinding some black pepper and little pep and little salt with it. And now is the time to coat it really well. So every part of the chicken is coated, all the cubes. You can do it double coating, that is to make the skin thicker, but to me that is optional. This is the egg wash. You can see I'm gonna coat them again with egg wash. So I took like 2 eggs. If you wanna do it like a single coating, you don't have to take 2 eggs. You can just use 1 egg. You can see everything is nicely coated. So this is the second time I'm coating it with the flour, and you know that the flour has a little bit of black pepper, ground black pepper, and a little bit of salt. As you can see, I'm frying it for like 5 minutes or 4 minutes to make this kind of color, to make this kind of brown golden color nicely. These are very crispy. Now is the time to make a chicken sauce. As you can see, this is orange juice. You can take like 1 cup of orange juice or 1.5 cup depending on how thick you want. Water, same amount of water. 2 tablespoonful of soy sauce, 2 tablespoonful of vinegar, a little bit of onion, green onion. Here flakes. I mean like it's red pepper flakes. 1 teaspoonful, 1 teaspoonful of both ginger and garlic paste. You can put, you can see the amount again. Mostly all 2 tablespoonful, and one or two oranges. From the orange, you can see how I took it. You just rub it with those rough surface. Then this is how it will come. And make sure to use a thin one, the thinnest side. Now is the time to mix everything together and boil it. Look, it's getting thin. And here you can see one cup of water. With that I added just 1 tablespoonful of corn starch, and here you can see 2 tablespoonful of brown sugar. Look at this. After 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 it got little thick, you just add the chicken cubes, and to make it little thick. This is how it turned. Look at how beautifully golden brown it turned. And as you know, it goes really well with the brown or with the fried rice. Thank you, viewers. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more. Thanks.